Pneumatic LCD. P marking machine. Specification: laser type 20W 30W 50W. Laser power 175*175 mm 150*150 mm. Device marking area 200*200 m to 50*250 mm. Laser source Racus Max 6. Laser head Sino Falvo with auto. Laser repetition frequency 20 kHz 80 kHz. Laser wavelength 1064 mm. Laser marking speed 7000 meters per second. Minimum line width 0.01 mm. Minimum character 0.15 mm. Laser module life 100000. Cooling mode in build air cooling. Power input to 20V 50 Hz, single phase. Laser marking software Riscat Professional Marktech marking software. Graphic format PMP, JPG, GIF, PNG, DXF. System operation environment Windows XP 7 with 32-bit, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Features: touch-type screen for easy operation. A sport can be used with mouse or keyboard. Logos can be downloaded through a sport. Window size is 20*120 or 20*50 to mark big items. Serial no, date, time and even you can mark shift code easily. Easy to drag the marking place in the window by stylus. Can mark the different types of depths with the two types of pin. Marking quality is very good, even you can mark 0.8 millimeters. Character with the same machine. Inbuilt phones for different type of marking. Memory inbuilt for to save the marking files made by you. Auto mode enabled to start the same marking while switch on and off the machine, no need to find the file again.